Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're making a shrimp stir fry. In a preheated wok, go ahead and add some olive oil. Once your olive oil is heated, add your shrimp. We're going to cook the shrimp for about 1 minute on each side just to get a little texture on each side. Now after 1 minute is up, go ahead and flip it to the next side. After 1 minute, add your vegetables. And we're going to continue to cook the shrimp and the vegetables for 3 minutes as we're mixing, and we're going to cover it up. Add about 3 teaspoons of butter and give it a quick mix and let that cook for 2 minutes. While that's cooking, let's get started on our sauce. I added in some stir-fry mix. We're gonna mix in the soy ginger chicken broth and continue to add more broth. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add some low sodium soy sauce. And then we're going to add sesame oil. Whisk everything together really well. Now we're going to season our stir fry. I use garlic powder, onion powder, of course salt and pepper, chili flakes, and make sure you add salt to your liking. Now mix it all together and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Go ahead and add your broth and cover it back up for 3 minutes. And you can cook your vegetables for however long. I don't mind leaving my shrimp in it as it's soaking up that juice, but you can remove your shrimp as well. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.